I'd like to welcome all of you guys to Top Rank Importers in California. We're going to be checking out the open house today, all the new cool GTRs as well as the new Proto Z from Nissan or the 400Z, as well as some cool people at the event. So I hope you guys like this type of content. If you do, smash the thumbs up and let's get into today's video. Well guys, we're at Top Rank Importers in California in Cypress. Let's head on in and see what they've got. Some familiar faces from yesterday. Look at the different colors in this midnight purple. You can see green, black, purple. Sun hits it a different way, it's purple. Sun hits it this way, it's black. It's crazy. I don't know if I've seen this in person before. So we got the same Built by Legends cars that are at the track. This is the Mines R32 and the Built by Legends booth. I got to come over here and buy myself a shirt. Hopefully they got some stuff for sale. Looks like they got something. We got some R32, R33, R34 just chilling up on the rack. It's definitely very cool to be here after seeing all these different cars here, all these different videos on YouTube, and to be here in person is so much cooler. You guys got to check it out and come down here yourself. So this is a very special R32. This is a fully Omari factory built. This is the Clubman Race Spec R32 GTR, fully built out of the Nismo Omari factory. This is the specs list here. And it was incredible to see this car in person. It looks so flawless. Full R35 GTR big boy brakes with LMGT 4 Nismo wheels. This thing is incredible. Look at the Nismo intake plenum. You got a full S2 built race engine. You also got the carbon inlet airbox and charge piping. All this stuff is super expensive and super awesome to see in person. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you like the S2 Clubman spec, give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, I got a couple of t-shirts for myself. I got the Built by Legends by Mines and then the Top Rank shirt. So let's walk around and see what else we see here. I know I saw Tommy over there. We got some other guys. Got a special guy here.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching the channel.
Josh, JDM RHD Content.
Oh, I think I've seen your stuff. That's cool.
Yeah, like RB26, Skyline R32 stuff. Yeah.
Well, you'll be seeing a lot more of me because I have the R32 now, and I also just recently bought a station that's over in Japan. So a lot more RB26 content coming in at the throttle.
I drove a Stagia last summer, the, what is it, the RS?
260 RS.
Yeah, UP Garage had one. So I drove this auto, I think it was, yeah, it was automatic, but it was still fun.
Okay. Yeah, I was able to score a manual gearbox one, so I'm really excited to go and try it.
This was a very big treat to get to experience the new Proto Z and get the chance to look at it and see the body lines, the shape, the contour, and see the heritage of the old 300ZX, a little bit of Fairlady 240SX. It was pretty cool. And definitely you guys leave me some comments. I did my best to try to soak it in and capture some video of the car, but it was hard with everybody around to stay focused, plus all the other Skylines and GTRs. It was definitely cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But coming out back, just take a look at the inventory that they have for sale. So you got a midnight purple R33, a nice silver one. So you got quite a bit of R33s in stock to purchase. If you guys are looking for something, reach out to Sean or Brian at Top Rank. I'll have their link in the description down below. We got some Supras. These are most likely RZs, could be an SZ, I'm not sure. Haven't looked at them too close. A DC2 Integra 4-door. Some coupes. FD3 RX-7s. And this one is sold. I know who bought it. He told me yesterday when I was talking to him at Artist Day. These are pretty clean looking. Well, look at that sight. You got 32, 33, 32 is just like a whole row of GTRs in stock and for sale. So this is a very rare color. You don't really too often see a R32 in the blue. I'm not sure the exact color code. I'll look it up and throw it up on the screen, but I've never seen one of these in person. And I know the percentage of produced models in this color is very, very low. But you can see it's got like a nice pearl to the paint. Ooh, I recognize this guy's Instagram. There we got the WRX Part 2. There's a bunch of other cool cars out here. GTRs, a bunch of JDM stuff. So guys, I'm here with Andrew, somebody who watches the channel.
Yeah, hey.
What kind of car do you have, Andrew?
I have an R33.
What color?
Silver, purple, and white. I have three of them.
And he was planning on buying an R34, but he watches my channel, came up, couldn't remember my name, so we've been sitting here chatting, and I figured I'd let him say hello to everybody.
Hi.
I've never seen one. Okay. Whole bunch of GTRs, Skylines, everything.
Yeah, a lot of nice build too.
All right, this fine gentleman's going to start this up for us. That is crazy loud compared to my HKS. This is Eddie Fan 88. Awesome, thanks Eddie.
No worries.
Sounds good.
It's loud. That's why I don't go out at night.
So this guy has sorry, Tomei 2.8 stroker.
Next one. Okay.
What strip tire bar is this?
This is from a guy from
Like custom?
Korea, yeah. It's a custom.
It's all aluminum.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Really light too, yeah.
This is Mark.
Hey, how are you guys? Yeah, my name is Mark, and I don't know, I think many people know me by Mark Wang Car Garage, so I do have a various of things between supercars, and R34 is one of my favorite too, and I have two currently, and we're just at Top Rank Open House enjoying, and you know, happy to see everybody. And then yeah, I mean, if you have some time, definitely check out some of the stuff I do on Instagram.
Yeah, absolutely.
And YouTube.
Well, it's a pleasure meeting you, Mark. I'm Josh. Yeah, check out my channel, JDM.
Yes, I will. I'm going to do that right now. So
all right.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. This is Mark Wang's R34 GTR from Ars Day the other day. Figured I'd throw a little content of his car up on the screen for you guys. Let me know what you think. Sounds way better than my Nissan We got Sung Kang. It's one of the coolest things that Sung, even though he's a major Hollywood star, he comes down here and he supports the car community and he's, you know, part of it. And he was cool. I actually talked to him, gave him the knuckles, introduced myself and said hello. So kind of at the end of the video, guys, here we got to talking to Tommy. I took a photo and did some B-roll of his car, which I'll throw up on the screen here. So Tommy's gonna come look at the UP garage car.
This is my first in-person UP garage car. Everyone wants me to look at it.
We got Dustin here as well. He's coming to check it out, see the build, and he's gonna take it for a drive.
And I'm looking at it. UP garage for sure.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
How much input did you have in the color?
Zero.
Yeah. For sure.
Nice. Approved. Signed by Minds, driven by Dai, and approved by. Yeah.
So it's on.
It's correct.
It's on it.
Oh, is it?
It's below you.
Is it really?
You owe this car money.
I owe money. Will you? Bobby, are you going to fill my car?
No.
No.
This is gnarly. This car has so much torque. Like a really power, insane where it comes on, what it does. It get people in a lot of trouble. 5 kilometers an hour probably.
Yes.
It's gnarly. It's absolutely gnarly. You're gonna do a lot to the rest of the car now? Yeah, I got holding. No.
All right, Kevin, you ready?
Yes, sir.
So I'm the third person to get to drive this car today. Dustin Williams just drove it. Before that, Tommy F. Yeah.
AKA the town bicycle.
Oh yeah. So everybody's getting a ride, and I'm gonna get on it. Yeah, your clutch is.
Why does it do that? Is it like break-in?
Yeah, I don't know. Mine doesn't. Mine doesn't do that. Mine did that at first, but like I was telling you, I revved it and like slipped the shit out of it, and then after that, it was
like
smooth.
knocked the dust
almost,
off.
Yeah, almost like stock. You just had to rev it a little higher to get it going.
There's your car. Awesome event.
Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, when are we ever gonna get this experience again?
Never. Or next year.
Which way is it? You got your phone on?
Yeah, it's take a left.
It was weird driving a GTR. I haven't driven one in a while.
You're telling me. After a year.
Well, my car's been down since September.
And mine was junk before, now it comes back like this.
Yeah. All right, you ready? Let's do a little second gear rip. 4,000. Freaking awesome. Feels great. And we got Matt, he's right behind us. Keeping right up with us. Thank Thanks again, Kevin. I appreciate you letting me drive her.
Welcome, brother. Thank you for everything.
Feels solid. All right, which way are we going here? See, the clutch, it doesn't do it anymore.
Doesn't do it, you knocked it
Yeah,
out.
that's all I needed to do. Slip it. Woo! Well, the car is back, and I got to tell you guys, after I drove this the last time, it had the old R32 GTR wheels on. This time it has some 265/35 newer tires with fresh rubber, and it actually tracked a straight line, because last time I drove the car I was doing this weird stuff and it scared the piss out of me. This time it feels good, solid and planted, and I'm super happy. Pretty cool to drive the car after Dustin and Tommy both drove it today. So thanks again to Kevin.
Thank you.
He's the one who provided the town bicycle.
Tommy broke my car.
Yeah, of course he did. And I fixed the clutch, so you're welcome. Here's Matt.
He did fix the clutch.
Yeah. After a long day of filming, what better way to end the day with a couple of friends than having some sushi together? This is my first time going to like an automated sushi conveyor style restaurant, and the food was awesome and very tasty. Well guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. It really helps out. And also share the video. It really helps the channel. It helps the algorithm, all that type of stuff that you guys can do. And we are in the process of building the RB26. So if we can grow the channel, I've got more than half the money set aside already for the Nitto RB28 stroker kit, and we will get there, guys. But how awesome was it to meet somebody like Sung Kang, to meet Mickey from Throttle, and to be part of this weekend's experience. I hope you guys get a chance to do something like this. It was really a dream of mine to go and experience all this in person. It was awesome, and they're gonna do it again next year. So if you guys wanna go there, you guys do it, and I'll see you guys there. And I also wanna say thank you so much to Kevin for letting me drive your R32 GTR again. This guy's got a ton of money into it. He let me drive it before I even met him, and to let him, to have him let me drive it again after Tommy and Dustin, how cool was that? And Tommy was talking all kinds of mad smack about the ATS clutch, saying that it was no good because it was kind of grabby and it was kind of jittery at first. And in the service manual for the clutch, I did some research because mine was doing the same thing. When you try to get on it at first, it kind of was like shuddering and jittering and wanted to grab, didn't really want to work good. You have to rev up the engine to about 4,000 RPMs and like slip the clutch for about 3 to 4 seconds and get a good heat cycle through it. After that, it's kind of worn in and it drives just as smooth as factory. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. I've got a lot more content to come still. A few more videos on the way back home from California. After that, we're gonna start getting into the Super WRX stuff. Then I'll start working on the GTR a little while after that. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out. Have a good one.